Did you know that most promotions happen off the radar? Hi, my name is Christina from Eudaimonia Coaching, and today's topic is about how promotions actually happen. Well, you basically need to ask for a promotion. One of my clients asked her manager about getting promoted, and she realized that he's already mentoring somebody else in order to get promoted. So you cannot really assume that your manager will sit there and guess that you are interested in a promotion, let alone if your promotion potentially threatens their position. That's the very reason why you cannot hope that your manager will naturally develop you. Your manager doesn't have the time. So you need to really find out whether your organization wants to develop you or whether they actually have the capacity to develop you. And then you have a choice to stay or to leave. If you now stay without the prospect of getting promoted or being developed, don't assume that you will naturally develop to be a manager or get promoted by just doing your job. That's important if you want to actually get promoted in your next position, if you move organizations, right? You need to be willing to do more than what your job description provides for in order to be able to get promoted. But actually, you have one more thing you need to consider. You need help and guidance. You need a mentor or a sponsor, not necessarily your manager, in your organization with whom you will have a clear agenda to help you and recognize you for the value you bring way above your job description. So things do not happen by accident. You need to be intentional and directional in your development in order to get the recognition that you want from the organization. Promotions happen not by just hitting your targets, but by actually supportive mentorship, consistently recognized achievements, and visible influence on your part. I hope this video was helpful, and if you got any questions, please don't hesitate to drop me a line. All the very best.